We at the corner of, ain't even no street sign over here. Let you know what street we on. We're gonna run it up the hill. Oakdale and Ingalls. Run it up the hill. Don't try this with no bicycle. Boy, your legs got to be in good condition to do this move. Stop sign. Like I said, we're in All Hallows Gardens. I never knew nobody lived over here. Back in the flip car days, it used to be all back here on tour, just coming to see what you can see. You know, over here in Kiska, you see, it just takes us to the back. There's many ways to get to the back. For those of you who've never been in this area, it's out here before. Yeah. This is in the back half. Where they rebuilt all the housing and stuff back here. And linked it all up. Yes, sir. What we got here? Broken back window. Yep, getting towed away. So, yes, sir. Another beautiful picture of the bay. Yeah, I was back here once. Car broke down. Had to walk it out. Nowhere to run to, nowhere to hide. Far back parts of Hunters Point. We just riding through. Yeah. Like I said before, we ride through, you see this big downtown area in the background. Yeah, boy. Oh, they have a plat, okay. Reardon and Kiska.